Okay, we're beginning the climb towards Gym Trail. This is Kledang Hill. So the whole group's here. We got Wilson organized this trip. A whole bunch of us. So it will be about a 20-minute climb. We'll see you at the trailhead. Yeah, we finally reached the trailhead. Pretty good gym trail. Here comes the rest of the crew. Oh, today a bit later, a lot of hikers. Yeah, boy.
This is the entrance.
Yep.
That's a climb, man.
Yeah, boy. It is a climb, man.
You go climb whole year.
No lah. I descend no good, so must train climb. So train climb. Yeah, boy. Huh? You must love climb. You love it, then you'll be good at it.
Shit.
Oh, you made it. You're waiting for you're a sweeper, man.
She just around the corner. She just behind the barrier.
Yeah.
The white. Oh, you made it, man.
But I cannot go down.
I think this is the only climb I'll do in this entire trip.
Huh?
Wait,
There you go.
nice.
Finally got to the top. But the bottom part was very hot and very humid. That's true lah.
I had to remove my
Yeah.
Otherwise I cannot.
He told us to wait here.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
He said when you cross the staircase,
Oh, okay.
So that's why he said take the staircase. You can come.
drop it in. Rider! 谢谢啊。Oh, a bit of moisture on the trail now, man.
Is that a left line scam, right?
Okay, wait. Wait, That is scam trail.
Down there.
Wilson, that one is scam trail.
If you want to see like the steep leafy shoot, that's the trail.
No, it's okay.
Hey, now the traction a bit slippy.
Then you just spread out.
Okay.
Wow! Look at all the... Ooh.
Rider! Oh, rider, behind got some more, huh? Careful, got some more, High line. Oh, the leaves are slippery, man. Wow, way. Shortcut. Do we want to wait for them?
Wow, fun. Really fun.
Amelia, you can do it. I'm not showing off, guys.
Can lah, you did it so sweetly.
Okay.
Amelia, Slash is here. Just throw the bike. Over there. Catch.
Yeah, I wanted to.
See that bear hill?
Yeah, that's Rampage.
Oh, so that was where the YouTube guy did a few jumps like just now earlier.
Wow. Lost.
Huh?
No, nothing. All good.
All good, huh?
That's radish. That's radish.
That's freaking fun.
It can be a bit deceptive. But... Oh.
Okay, rock garden here, huh? Quite rough, huh?
Rock garden.
Rider! Rider! 哎，谢谢。后面还有啊。Rider！ 哎，谢谢。后面还有啊。OK。Sharp left, left and then right. Careful, this corner, don't go off the cliff, man. What shit? Oh. That's a dodgy one, man.
Yo, watch your line at the tires, yeah? Tire. Dodgy tire.
That's freaking dodgy, man.
OBS stuff.
Oh.
Your crotch okay?
Hey, come over, there's a car.
Holy. That didn't sound good. What happened? You talk.
Never mind, we're right down there.
Yeah, it's mad. Bro, reserve won't get busted so easily.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the whole idea. Whole idea of reserve.
Okay, the tiger is missing today. Hello.